Hey guys, what is up? This is Block Boss and welcome back to some more Boom Beach. This is episode 3 and when we left off, we took on a really horrible base. Sadly Jack Plays isn't going to be joining us in this. Did someone attack us? VIP. I'm not even a VIP. I guess I'll go with Dark Fragment. Thanks. Even though I'm not a VIP, thanks. Geez, I need to reinforce these. Guys, can I speed this up? Yeah, I have 22 gems. Let's go into new base. So there are 2 new bases. Pine Down and Smithereens. I'm taking on Smithereens. That just sounds cool. Smithereens. Wait a minute. I guess this is an okay base. It's better than the last one. I mean, it has mortars. So I guess these guys come in right here. Target that. Target the... Oh my gosh, this is the best tactic ever. There are no strategies in Boom Beach, only tactics. Yeah. Victory. No casualties. Yeah, that's what up, son. Oh, get more gems, 2 diamonds, 2 diamonds, 2 diamonds. Oh, there's another one. Oh, yeah, material. Let's try material. Okay, this is better, definitely better than the last one. Wait a minute. Where are all the materials? What's the point of calling your base materials if you don't have any? Well, let's go. Hopefully we get a bunch of resources from this. Because honestly, please give us a bunch of resources. Okay, no casualties. Good. Give me something else. Pinned. Okay, let's try pin down. If you seriously, is that what you call pinned down? I'll just take this out. Send my troops in. Target the oil. I need to take this guy down fast because I don't want to lose any troops. Come on, yeah! I got a casualty, but who cares? We did it. Oh, casualties too. Okay, no more main story bases. What's this? Home base defeated, home base defeated, home base raided. Village lost. Okay. Thank you for that clarification. Free village. Alright. I'll attack this base. Never mind. This guy looks way too hard. Wait a minute. If I take down his mortars, then this guy isn't much of a threat anymore now that I've taken down his mortars. And now target the town hall headquarters. Yeah, I'm gonna fail this because it was too late. Yeah, I lost that. You received nothing! Yay! Well, since I lost all my troops, I guess I'll just do some stuff. Let me see if I can, oh, I can upgrade this guy, so I'm gonna upgrade him in between the episodes. But anyways, guys, you guys need tune in this Friday, because I'm gonna be fighting Dr. T. Oh, I got messages. I've taken over Boom Beach's website. See you soon, Dr. T. Come hear the song about my new super weapon. So excited to take over Boom Beach January 15th. So tune in this Friday, and you will see why I'm so excited. Oh, wait a minute. Residents. I guess I'll get more gold from this. Let's go with that. Let's do it. It's gonna take 2 minutes, and I will see you all next time. Oh yeah, and smack that like button with your face, cause you gotta. It's cool. It's cool to do that. Bye.